Hello and welcome to this new course. Today I will teach you how to make a living without the need for a website or experience. This is Moneymaker's team. We are a team of engineers looking to teach people how they can make money online easily and be their own bosses. We are more than 4 engineers teamed up to give you the best, most accurate methods. We have been working online for more than 5 years now, and now we are looking forward to teach you people what years of testing gave us. We have 5 websites, 3 YouTube channels. You can check Google with more than 10,000 subscribers and over 10 million views. Here in Udemy we have more than 13,000 students, 7 courses and 200 reviews. We offer courses in SEO, money making, AdSense, tripling your revenue, Blogger and WordPress. You can check any of these courses. If you liked it, we can offer it for a very discounted price for you. Just drop us a message. You can check our Udemy profile using this link, udemy.com, user Moneymakers team. And today I will share with you several ways to profit without a website or experience. 7 ways to be exact. The first one is designing and Photoshop. I will show you how you can use your designing skills, or even if you don't have skills, how to make designs and sell them online in places that we sell our designs inside. Next is text translation or translation in general. The third thing is writing content, where you can sell the content that you write. The fourth thing is preparing and filming videos. The fifth thing is photographer. And we have user experience sites and resolving CAPTCHA codes. All of these methods are methods for making money online. I will explain each of them in details and how to make money and where you can find websites that can pay you for any of these 7 things. That's it for this introduction. See you inside. I'm sure that you will enjoy this journey. It will be a very life-changing experience for you, and after this course I'm sure that you will start making a good profit online. Thanks for watching. This is Moneymakers team.